Dawadi Chizenyi ne Uzuki Nidang Sum Ring Chegi Dubun Lucy Lingomdu Tanseri Tene Kangtu, Chulu Lamatin Besanju Lopsu Sabjon To Chenga Pepe, Gyagar Gyeong Lopta Kagi Nang Semkam Rigbeshin Yargi Tongche Ledun Dukengi Geza Sobe Chikep Zingyong Ginzi, Aditya Natraj Lagi, Nganzu Ledun Nam Gongsa Chogi Gongshi Lamdun O Laktar Shui Yuche Song Song.
We are a large corporate foundation working in the area of improving socio-emotional learning in schools across India. And we are here to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama to seek his blessings. The work that we do is under his guidance and his direction, because his view is to get non-violence into children, into adults, into teachers and into doctors. And that is the work that we are pursuing. So we came to seek his blessings in that work. The workshop here at the Drepung Losling Monastery was absolutely beautiful. It is run in association with professors from the Emory University, from the Center for Contemplative Ethics. And we were in a course on cognitive-based compassion training, almost 60 people from our organization, in order to understand the neuroscience and the neurobiology behind compassion of the mind, in order that we may improve ourselves and improve our communities and serve the world. We were very fortunate that His Holiness actually stopped the queue and spoke to our team and was acknowledged the work that we do to get socio-emotional learning into 100,000 schools. He thanked us for the work that we do and said that India must follow the path of non-violence that was born in India, and that we must continue to propagate that path.
India's tradition, non-violence, is the key thing. I myself also following India's tradition, non-violence. Thank you.
We have been fortunate to do all the work that we do in public schools in India and public hospitals in India, where we are bringing the principles of compassion and love that we learn from His Holiness. We are bringing that to the public spaces. The experience here was divine actually, because His Holiness actually spoke with us and we could speak about our work and what we are doing. So he underlined the value of compassion, love and non-violence, and he said how non-violence actually comes from India and how important it is.
The Emory Piramal get it over in Yamda to Lomangoringalia. The children might be Sanjero, the Jaganalia, Begita, Shean Conere, Tuden Conere, Lasovita, Little Mangushiro, the teacher do the Chambush, somebody to Joe Gora, the gate to any subjoined Tinangor. Tarindeli subjoined down, Jamrosi, Pewati, Tapiam the Kettle, Tigi, Tare, Delia subjoined China, me to Jew image. The young Adi Chongas Lepsha. Go to Mount and Piramal Desenalia, Chalenalia, Gezenalia, Pishing Mingadons to Dinalon, Takonsu, Zingyongi, Gamba de Getre. That dinner usually but Naloli and option of dinner. The Jama de Sangin Chikosural, Dinal Pishing Mobji Mestol, Sabjana Chinese Sherol, Yang Adi Chongas and Leo, Dinalia, Chulu Rimeresha, the Hindu Yever, Honey, Kajeta, issue to the tool.
So I came here for a CBCT workshop, and it was very fortunate that I was in this workshop this time, and His Holiness is here and I could meet him in my lifetime. So that is a great experience and I cannot express. So very, very grateful, and I'm feeling very, what you call, Kismat wala, that I can meet him in my lifetime, and very gratitude. These workshops are very important. So wherever you work in your, when you deal with people, you work with community. So the compassion, if you work with compassion, you understand your need and then you need of the people, and then you can help them as per their requirement and with compassion. So that is very important. So compassionate workshops are very important to understand yourself and understand the community and serve accordingly with Seva Bhav. That is very important.